So for today's video, we have a really fun one. As you can see, I'm wearing the super sleek ponytail. This is by insert name here, and I will leave links to the website down below. I'm gonna be reviewing 2 of their ponies. I did dye these myself. They did not come this color. I got the platinum blonde, and I will leave a clip right here so you can see how they look like straight out of the package before I tampered with them. I think the color turned out pretty close to my own, and that video is going to be up next week. So if you wanna know how I did that, keep an eye out. If you've been watching my videos and maybe forgot to subscribe, make sure to click the button and notification bell. I post videos every Thursday and I cover beauty, lifestyle, and DIY, so welcome to the community. I do want to disclaim before I move on, these were sent to me for review, but I am not being paid to review these. This is just my full and honest opinion. I truly have nothing bad to say about them. They really spruce up the look. These are synthetic hair, but they're very soft, and I don't think they have that fake hair look to them. I'm pretty sure they hold up to 300 degrees. I'll leave the temperature right here, which is why I was able to dye them to match my own hair color. Synthetic hair can't be dyed like your regular hair. You can't use the same dye that you use on your head. You have to use fabric dye or alcohol ink. There's a bunch of methods online, but they do have a wide array of colors depending on the styles. So if you're interested in any of the styles you see today, I'm gonna leave a link to their website down below, and you can use the code VCORAL for money off. I am not getting paid for this. It's not an affiliate link. It's honestly just a code for some money off of these ponies. I have a lot of short hairs in the back, so I need a little bit of that hairspray. If you have curly hair, you don't necessarily have to straighten it as long as you kind of slick it back. So I'm gonna start with a little bit of hairspray, and I'm doing a high pony today, but you can totally do a low pony if that's your jam. You wanna make sure that it is nice and tight. So this is what my pony looks like. I am going to twist and make a little bun, little tiny bun. I'm gonna start with the Lola. This is the thicker of the 2, and this one has a slight swoop. This is what it looks like. You have this comb that you're going to stick right in the middle of the bun or pony, and then you have this piece of Velcro that you're going to wrap around the bun, and you want to make sure that you do that tightly so that the pony is nice and secure. Now I'm going to take my Velcro and go around the bun, and I like to flip my hair upside down for this, and then I'm not getting any hairs caught into the Velcro. Once the Velcro is nice and secure, you're going to keep wrapping the hair around the bun just to make sure you cover that Velcro. Once that's done, you're going to pin that hair in place. Here is where I pinned down the hair. You can see everything's covered. So this is what the pony looks like. This is the Lola. And I do like the bun method because the pony gets a better grip on everything, and it just feels a lot more secure, like it's not moving. I wear my hair mostly curly, so this is just a really nice sleek look, and it's super easy to do. I'm gonna show you how to remove it. I'm taking off the pins. We're just gonna remove the Velcro. And the pony comes off. So now here we have the Jordynn. This one is a little bit thinner. It has some pretty curls. I'm gonna place it right in the center of my bun. Flip the pony upside down so that I can get a really tight grip around the bun. Pin everything in place. So here's the Jordynn on. Everything is nice and secure. Honestly, what holds it in place is the clip and the Velcro. The piece of hair wrapped around it is really just to cover everything up. I'll do a close-up so you guys can see. I normally either have time to do my makeup or do my hair, so this is just an easy way. I can literally grab the pony and put it on in the car, and I did that earlier actually. So I personally would recommend these, especially if you're busy and you just don't like doing your hair. And if you have short hair and just want to try long hair for a little bit, this is just a really great idea. More affordable than extensions, I'll tell you that. So that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this and found it helpful. If you liked it, make sure to share and leave me a comment down below on which style you like best. Different occasions, right? The curl just looks a little more fancy, but this one's thicker, so it has a really luxe feel to it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Keep an eye out for how I dyed these. That'll be next week, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.